प्लास्टिक रिसायकलिंग शो PRS इंडियाची पहिली आवृत्ती आणि त्यासोबतच इंडिया रिसायकलिंग शो BRS 2025 मुंबईतील बॉम्बे एक्झिबिशन सेंटरमध्ये सुरू झाली. देशातील सर्वात मोठे पुनर्वापर केंद्रित व्यासपीठ म्हणून ओळखल्या जाणाऱ्या या प्रदर्शनात 150 प्रदर्शक, 8,000 अभ्यागत आणि 10हून अधिक देशांतील सहभागी झाले होते, जे पुनर्वापर तंत्रज्ञान, उपाय आणि नवोपक्रमाचे व्यापक 360 अंश प्रदर्शन सादर करते. 3 दिवसांचा हा कार्यक्रम पुनर्वापर करणारे, तंत्रज्ञान नवोन्मेषक, उत्पादक, धोरणकर्ते आणि गुंतवणूकदारांसाठी उदयोन्मुख ट्रेंड, धोरण चौकट आणि व्यवसाय मॉडेल्स एक्सप्लोर करण्यासाठी एक प्रमुख व्यासपीठ आहे. महाराष्ट्र प्रदूषण नियंत्रण मंडळाचे अध्यक्ष सिद्धेश कदम यांनी उद्घाटन समारंभात सांगितले की महाराष्ट्र पर्यावरणीय नेतृत्वात आघाडीवर आहे. एकेरी वापराच्या प्लास्टिकवर बंदी घालणारे भारतातील पहिले राज्य बनले आहे.
Good morning to one and all. As everybody knows that being in Mumbai, you cannot predict the traffic. Staying across the road still took me like half an hour, 45 minutes to get here. So my sincere apologies to all the dignitaries for running late. And I wouldn't take everybody's name because we're already running late of the dais, so all the dignitaries on the dais. But I would like to specially mention Mr. Tahir for his efforts for his second year edition of this plastic recycling show. Because to get everybody together and to showcase the world that what India is doing in the world of plastic recycling, I think that's an achievement itself. So congratulations Tahir and your entire group. If you all don't mind, I'll be communicating in y'all with English, Marathi and Hindi. I'm in Mumbai, so मराठीत मला बोललंच पाहिजे आणि महाराष्ट्रात आहे आणि मराठी आहे तर मला मराठीत बोललंच पाहिजे. आमची मातृभूमी आहे. पण मनापासून एक बरं वाटतं की एक आपली चालना एक चांगल्या दिशेने चाललेली आहे. वी आर मूव्हिंग इन द राईट डायरेक्शन. अँड ॲज अ चेअरमॅन ऑफ द पोल्युशन कंट्रोल बोर्ड, ऑब्वियसली देयर इज अ बिग ओनस ऑन अस along with the state government and the central government as well, that we want to achieve something what is still not been done. There are a lot of initiatives which are still in pipeline and we're working. But to all my dignitaries and all my friends, I would like to mention this one thing, that Maharashtra was the first state to impose single-use plastic ban, and I would proudly say the initiative was taken up by my father, as everybody knows, Mr. Ramdas Kadam, when he was the then Environment Minister. And the person who drafted the policy is sitting with us, Mr. Nandakumar Guravji. He is the one who drafted that policy. So we've come a long way. And recycling is the future. There is no ifs and buts about it. We are exhausting our resources, that is true. आपण आपले resources दिवसेंदिवस कमी होत चाललेले आहेत. आपण आपल्या जगामध्ये काय घडतंय ते सोडा, आपल्या महाराष्ट्रामध्ये काय घडतंय, what is happening in the state of Maharashtra, we've been witnessing that. Like this year, I don't think so, all of us sitting here, we've never seen monsoon for 6 months. Monsoon started in the month of May and it ended in November. So out of 12 months, 6 months is monsoon, two months of dry season and 1 or 2 months of winter. So this is actually climate change happening in front of our eyes. Not even the elderly who are here, जे तरुण आहेत, जे वृद्ध सुद्धा आहेत, त्यांनी सुद्धा पाहिलं असेल की त्यांच्या जीवनामध्ये कधी 6-6 महिन्याचा पावसाळा नव्हता. Tahir, I would like to mention one thing. Over the period of time, I've never heard about the entire soil being, I've heard about soil being getting eroded. The soil getting washed off. There is no soil in the farmland. And we have to import soil from other states. We have to get soil from other states to donate to the farmers. We have never seen that state in the state of Maharashtra as of now. ही काळाची गरज आहे. That is what is happening right now. म्हणजे हे खरं होतंय. It is happening. That is why such exhibitions, they give opportunity. I also emphasize on one thing in every keynote, whatever I give is the opportunities what are there for the youth. If you travel across the state, I've traveled across the state. मी महाराष्ट्रामध्ये प्रत्येक भागात गेलो, विदर्भ, मराठवाडा, कोकणात सगळीकडे गेलो. I've traveled across the state. There is a lot of youth who still don't know what to do. They are still lost, but they are skilled. They have talent, they have knowledge, they have everything. But when such exhibitions they come, so they get to know that there are opportunities other than the usual business activities what they can carry as well. That is why through the board we are coming up with a campaign wherein the association like yours, the youth from across the state, across the country and globally, they will come together, they will think about it, they will share their ideas, and as the Pollution Control Board, we will be supporting the youth to start up an incubation hub. That is what we've been promoting. So I want youth to come down and think about circular economy. What is recycling? That is circular economy. And it is today's goal, to be very honest. It is still untapped. I'm pretty sure the MRI has been working very hard with the central government as well for that. But then it is still untapped. सबको लगता है ये कचरा है, इससे क्या होगा? But कचरा ही आगे का सोना है. That is the fact. Because their natural resources, हमारे natural resources are day by day going to get depleted. And I was just telling Tahir as well, through the Pollution Control Board, we are coming up with such circular economic hubs across the state, 5 hubs across the state, wherein we will be promoting such recycling hubs across the state so that every youth, every individual can take benefit of it. Those hubs will be something like this, wherein you come down with your ideas, we will create all the infrastructure, you just utilize those infrastructures. Ultimately, the end goal is to promote recycling. We don't want our natural resources to get depleted. We don't want my kid, who's 5-year-old right now, to see monsoon go for another 2 months. Speaking about heat wave, we've been speaking about unconditional rains, but I'm sorry to say, but that is the need of the hour, and the climate change is happening as we see in front of our eyes. But Tahir and your entire team, I would really like to congratulate you, but I don't want you to just stop here. I want you to take this across the state, not just in Mumbai, because the youth across the state, from the rural part of Maharashtra, they also want to see what is happening in the recycling industry, be it plastic, be it anything. So I would really want you all to go across the state, and I'll be more than happy to do a collaboration with yourself. So MPCB and us, we can host together across the state. I think that should be the next step. Mumbai is a good beginning, and when you have such international support as well, so I can imagine the kind of response you'll get across the state as well. And I wouldn't say much. I've already taken too much time. आपला खूप वेळ घेतलेला आहे. पण खरंच ही काळाची गरज आहे. आणि आपण सगळे पाहतो की एवढा मोठ्या उत्साहाने आज इकडे युवा पिढी सुद्धा आहे. प्रत्येक कॉलेजेसमध्ये, प्रत्येक युनिव्हर्सिटीमध्ये, प्रत्येक शाळेमध्ये आज रिसायकलिंगचे धडे शिकवले जातात. एव्हरी युनिव्हर्सिटीज अक्रॉस द स्टेट, एव्हरी स्कूल्स, एव्हरी कॉलेजेस, they are still emphasizing on recycling. And I'm happy to say that MPCB is also collaborating with such universities, such schools, such associations as well to promote recycling.